Every child is an artist, says Picasso. Children, good morning and welcome to the new session. Here, today we are going to see how creatively you can put up your talent in front of others. So, let's begin. For this, you have to have an art copy of size 14 by 11 inches. On that art copy, you have to rule a margin line on all the four sides as seen on the screen. Now, after the margin line is drawn, you have to write the date, the topic on the margin line, and your name, class, and section at the edge of the page on the topmost side, like this. That's your name, your class, and your section. Of course, for teacher's reference. Now, let us begin and see how to draw some different types of fruits. There you go. Draw a curve, big curve, and letter alphabet 2. Now, make a small curve on top of it. You've got a mango. Now let's guess the second and there you go. Two curves on the sides, and to join it, a small curve above and below, and on top of it a small twig to hold it. Yes, I forgot to draw it on the mango. There it is. Now the second fruit is ready. Let's see what comes after apple. Draw a circle like this. Then draw a curved line, 3-layered curved line like this. A small U upside down below there. And here, for this fruit, you will have to use eraser. Erase the circle, a small part of the circle drawn earlier. There. So, small stem on the top, you get an orange. Children, now let's see what would be the fourth fruit. Draw a triangle with the edges blunt like this. Again here you will have to use eraser like this. Small part of the triangle on the top you have to erase. Then you can draw a star like this, touching the triangle. Draw small dots or small V shapes on the fruit. So guess what it makes? Yes, it's very simple. It's a strawberry. Now, the most simple fruit to draw. A small circle. One more touching the small circle. Then the stem and the small branch. Yes, you are right. It's cherry. Now the next fruit comes a circle. Here again you will have to use eraser. A small part of the circle on the top and at the bottom you have to erase. Like this. And then two curves at the bottom side and zigzag line joining those curves. And a bump on the head. There it is, a small curve, and you get a pomegranate. See children, these fruits are so simple to draw. Now the next fruit comes up is a long one, that's a banana. There. You have to draw a long curve and then one more curve below that which is parallel, which should be parallel to the first curve. Here it is. Join that from one end, and on the other end you have to leave small gap and draw the branch of the banana. This is the third line which is drawn, which shows the angular part of the banana. If you want, you can show a bunch of bananas like this. The one which I have shown now is overlapped. The angular part, line of the banana. Okay, 2 looks a little empty. Let's make the third one on this side. All the bananas will be parallel to each other, beta. There. And a curved line again to show the dimension. Now, let us make the last fruit here now. That's the favorite of many of the kids. It's grapes. For making grapes, children, you just have to make circle and elongated circles. Simple circles like these, or you can even make long circles like these. And then you can very well overlap these circles one behind other. As you can see there. In the bunch of grapes, you can find many grapes hidden behind one another. Like this. Children, in this pandemic, doctors also suggest you to have healthy nutritional food. Fruits, of course, has got nutritional values. So consume fruits as much as you can. Okay, so now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So children, here we have learned some simple ways to draw simple fruits. Now let us continue this activity next week.